The OnePlus 15 is finally making its way to international markets. The company has confirmed that it will launch in the US, UK, and Europe on November 13th. This news comes directly from OnePlus Europe's chief marketing officer, Selena Shi, who shared details in an interview with TechRadar. The phone was first launched in China on October 28th, and now, people around the world are eager to see if the global version will be just as impressive as the Chinese one. OnePlus decided to skip the number 14 completely. That's because the number 4 is considered unlucky in Chinese culture. Instead, the company says the OnePlus 15 is a 2-generation leap in design, performance, and intelligence. Selena Shi described it as a complete transformation, not just an upgrade, but a major step forward both inside and out. At the center of the OnePlus 15 is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, one of the most powerful smartphone processors available. It also comes with the new LPDDR5X Ultra Plus RAM, which runs at an incredible speed of 10,667 megabytes per second. However, this high-speed memory is only available in the 16 gigabytes version. Together, this setup delivers strong performance for gaming, multitasking, and everyday use. The phone's software is also taking a big leap thanks to artificial intelligence. OnePlus has replaced its famous alert slider with something called the Plus key. This new AI-powered button can be customized for different actions, like opening the camera, taking screenshots, or triggering smart features powered by AI. The OnePlus 15 will come with Oxygenos 16, the company's latest version of its Android-based system. This version combines smooth design with AI integration. It introduces a new feature called Mind Space, an AI-powered locker where users can store notes, images, and other content. The system connects with Google's Gemini AI, allowing it to understand what's saved and perform tasks based on it. It acts like a smart personal assistant that learns your habits and gives helpful responses. Selena Shi also confirmed that the OnePlus 15 is the first phone with built-in Gemini AI support. It uses your saved data, large language models, and internet access to offer more intelligent and personal assistance than before. When it comes to the camera, OnePlus has focused on smarter image processing instead of just increasing megapixels. The new Detail Maxing combines multiple 12-megapixel shots with a 50-megapixel photo to create a detailed 26-megapixel image that looks natural and balanced. The phone can also shoot up to 10 frames per second, compared to 6 FPS on the OnePlus 13, and features dual exposure anti-blur technology to capture moving subjects clearly for night photography. There's a new Clear Night engine. It blends several brightness levels to produce realistic and bright low-light photos. These upgrades show that OnePlus wants to focus on realistic image quality instead of chasing big camera numbers. The design has also changed completely. The OnePlus 15 now features a cleaner and more symmetrical camera module. It comes in 3 colors: Infinite Black, Sandstorm, and Ultraviolet. Each color gives the phone a distinct personality, showing that OnePlus wants this model to feel fresh and modern. However, there are some concerns about the international version. Selena Shi did not confirm whether the 165Hz display from the Chinese version will appear globally. She said that display quality remains a priority, but this still leaves fans wondering if they'll get the same smooth experience. A bigger issue might be the battery. The Chinese model uses a 7,300 mAh silicon carbon battery, which offers long life and fast charging. Unfortunately, this type of battery is not yet approved outside China. The international version might instead use a smaller lithium-based battery, which could reduce its battery performance. Price is another factor. In China, the OnePlus 15 starts at around $563, which is quite affordable for its features. But in the US, reports suggest it could start around $899, similar to the OnePlus 13's price. That higher price, combined with fewer features, might make it harder to attract buyers. The camera sensors might also be smaller on the global version, meaning photo quality may not match some rivals. It seems that OnePlus is focusing more on gaming and AI performance this time rather than camera power. Overall, the OnePlus 15 sounds like a big leap forward with AI integration, fast performance, and a fresh design. But the missing features, possible battery downgrade, and higher price could disappoint international users. The Chinese version looks more powerful and affordable, while the global version might feel slightly limited. In the end, the OnePlus 15 is clearly a smart and powerful device, but whether people around the world will love it as much as the Chinese model remains to be seen.